Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will also share our trading plans for intraday trading with all of you guys. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. This is the gold chart. First of all, we will go on daily time frame. If we look on daily time frame, we have a new high about here. Okay, so now we are going to H4 time frame. In H4 time frame, let's modify the area. Yeah, almost done. And if we look on H1 time frame, so here we have a demand area. This is the demand area. If we have any knowledge about supply and demand, so this is the drop base rally. Drop is the base candle and rally. So possibilities that market will come in this demand area and then go up. So if we look on M30 time frame, we have a minus support at this point. Let's modify this area. Yeah. So possibility is that if market break this support level, then market will come in this demand area. It's possibility, not 100% sure, because there's a no clear move in the left side. So if market break this support level, then you can open a sell trade below this support level and can get easily 15 to 20 pips very easily. And if market comes in this demand area, then you can wait for a buy signal and then buy. And if you get buy trade from here, then you can get easily 50 to 100 pips easily. So the buy trade is in this range, and if market break this resistance, then you can open a buy trade above this resistance. So these are the trading plans of gold for today. If market break this resistance, then you can open a buy trade. There is a sell trade below this support level, and there is a buy trade in this demand area. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.